The 1890 map of Orange County prepared by J.O. Fries is an excellent map of its era, and Fries had already spent almost 20 years surveying Orange County before it was developed, so he was able to map almost natural conditions. This map shows the location of the Longwood train station at the intersection of the South Florida Railroad, which was running since November 12, 1880. The Florida Midlands Railway was constructed in 1888. These railroad beds are now the trails used by citizens for quality outdoor time. On your screen is a 19th century bird's eye view of Longwood, Florida, drawn when this was still part of Orange County, decades before Seminole County existed. From this elevated vantage, Longwood appears as a small rail town carved out of citrus groves and pine flats, sitting directly on the transportation line that connected Orlando to Sanford. Now we dissolve to a modern aerial from essentially the same viewpoint. The citrus blocks have become subdivisions and commercial strips, but the spine of the corridor is unchanged. The same rail and road alignment still anchors movement between Orlando and Sanford. By pairing these two views, we can see how today's northern Orange, later Seminole County landscape, grew outward from this original corridor rather than replacing it. We were also fortunate to locate an 1890 Orange County map, which lets us pair this artistic rendering with a contemporary surveyed view of the same corridor, tying Longwood's early townscape directly to the documented geography of northern Orange County.